Nigel, don't kill me. I'll make one more video on the Sputnik region receiver, and that's it, I promise. Welcome back to DX Explorer for another video. It's been a while since I posted one the last time. It's been 2 years now on YouTube with DX Explorer. I've opened the channel on November 17, 2020. And yeah, I was not expecting to get views, I was not expecting to get subscribers, and the initial idea was just to share my videos with the people passionate about the hobby, those that have more experience than I do, and to help me learn and understand about the projects that I'm building. Because I'm learning, I'm also a beginner, and yeah, I just wanted to share what I do. But it turns out other beginners just like me, they are building the projects that I'm also building, and they're learning from me, which is fantastic how this hobby works. But I really like it. I made wonderful friends all over the world. I've met wonderful people, and I got my amateur radio license finally after many years of dreaming about it. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video to say thank you to all of you for subscribing, for watching the videos, for clicking the like button. It means a lot to me. And a couple of news about what's coming next on the channel. I wanted to transform the blog and or the website, anyway you call it, as the main tool in all this. And the idea is to post as much information in the blog article about each project that I'm building, and the videos on YouTube, because I'm trying to keep them shorter and people won't get bored. More like visual information, you know, like the most important information, things that you have to see, demo or testing and stuff like that. But yeah, basically each video on YouTube will accompany the article on the blog. That's the idea. Now, because when I started, I was not having the intention to share all these projects with everybody else. It was just for myself to build it and have other people help me understand, and if things went wrong, to help me get them to work. Right now, since a lot of people are actually building these projects that I have available on the website, which are, most of them are not exactly my projects. I also take them from other amateur radio operators that build them or design them. I'm just building the same thing because I've seen it in a magazine or in a blog article a long time ago. I saved it and I really wanted to build it, and I'm happy with all the projects that I'm building. So anyway, yeah, I have oh my god, I have quite a few projects in work right now, but what I wanted to say is that I'm going to remove a couple of the older videos. Nigel, don't kill me. I'll make one more video on the Sputnik region receiver, and that's it, I promise. But yeah, for example, with the Sputnik region receiver, because I was learning and trying to understand, I made probably like 10 videos about the receiver, and I think that's a little bit too much. So what I want to do is take a few of the older projects that I was not exactly happy with the way I built them or I made them, and meanwhile, since I have the nano VNA and other stuff that I can measure things, I got to make a few adjustments and get them to work a little better. So what I want to do, I want to replace a couple of videos from the older ones with one single new one, up to date, with new PCB design, new schematic, whatever, for anything I made, and from scratch. And yeah, and try to remove the older videos because it will get people confusing, and my point right now is to help people, not to confuse them. So yeah, I'm sorry that just for a little while, probably 4 or 5 videos, not more than that, there will be new versions of the older videos that I'm going to remove. Most probably YouTube won't like that, and I'm going to lose views and all that stuff, but yeah, I'm trying to help people. So I don't know. I hope the channel won't get hidden by YouTube just because I'm deleting those videos. But yeah. Anyway, we are in the holiday season, so right now at the end of the video, all I can say is Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to you, to your families, to your loved ones, to your friends, and to everybody else. And if you're not celebrating Christmas or New Year, happy anything else you celebrate. Maybe you just celebrate life. For me, I'm just happy I wake up every day and I have one more day to live, and I'm able to stay close to my family and play with these toys, enjoy the hobby. Yeah, thank you one more time for sticking around, for subscribing to the channel, and I hope to see you all in the new year, and things will work just the way we wish they would. So yeah, thank you one more time, happy holidays to you all, and 73.